Hello guys, and today we're going to teach you how to code an anti-cheat in Roblox exploit. So basically what this does is kicks the player for exploiting, and let's test it out. So we're gonna go here, and yes sir. Or we can do whatever we want, such as a custom command. So basically, if a player has B tools or something, it can easily ban them. Do not ask me how to ban. I can only kick because why not? So yeah. We're gonna go here, and sorry for full screen. I don't want a full screen. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert in a button. So button, and we're gonna code a button. Okay. Let's get it this. Okay. Cheats. Now I'm going to start in local script, and we're going to type script.parent.multiple one click equals connect function, one of the basics for button script, and we're going to do in while true do, wait 2 seconds, and we're going to basically do if game.Workspace.Gravity equals 50, then game.Players.LocalPlayer. No. We can create a to what can we create? Maybe a message. We can create in here a label. Go in here. Cheats have been detected, or I don't know. So I was gonna make a tutorial on how to make like a detector, but gravity cheats have been detected. I would do this red because why not? Make it spookier. I would make a sound player, but that's just annoying, and what if and weird. Gravity cheats have been detected. Check for gravity hack. And now I would make. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make like a. I would make like a how to make a if injected, and it'll just kick the player. But if this is doing script.parent.parent, I'll make sure to do the label visible. Script.parent.parent cheats ong.visible equals 2. Wait, 5. No. game.Players.LocalPlayer equals kick. Possible gravity cheats have been detected by client. Please do not do this again, or you will get banned. Thank you. Or I'm gonna check it out right now. Oh, what was the gravity again? Or I'm stupid. Check for gravity cheats. And let's see. The gravity has to be 50 in order to proceed. So we're going to do in here. Just doing 50. Gravity cheats have been detected. Alright, takes a little bit of a delay, what I call. It's because of the while true. So if you remove this, it's obviously going to crash your Roblox game. And here's proof. Yeah, it crashes it because it's spamming too fast. Damn it. Yeah, that was a mistake I should have not done. Yeah, guys, so that's why you need to add a wait system, because it's spamming too fast. We can do it at 0.50. I think still crashes the game, but yeah, you have to make like a wait system. Alright, so let's just go in here and using real apps for default checker. Oh, I forgot, this is Roblox Studio. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here, we're gonna set this to 50 and you can see here and it automatically detected. You are kicked from this game. Gravity cheats have been detected by client. Please not do this again or you will get banned. Now I would make like a little bit of a TP, so and okay, so we can make this screen dark, which I would do that. I'm gonna do it right now. And then the script.parent. No, that's retarded right now. Script.parent.frame. No. Frame.physical equals true. Alright, now this is how you make like one of those advanced thingies. Alright, I'm just gonna put the gravity to 50. And then it blacks the screen. It's not giving us I'm gonna test it now because I had an error earlier. Alright, great job denying it now. Well, I would get an output, but not working, so let's see what's happening over here. Well, to be honest, we don't need to activate this because the frame has everything inside. So if you test it now, we basically made one of those overwritten okay, so 50. So I'm cheating. I don't know what's happening, and boom, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out. I'll give you a code if you want in the description, cause why not? Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.